questions from arithmetic mean and geometric mean from your chapter test AGGARWAL. The very first question is write the first four terms of AP. AP means arithmetic progressions. First term is -5. हमें पता है कि अगर A फर्स्ट टर्म है और D अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस बनता है तो यहाँ पर A का अर्थ है -5 और B का अर्थ यहाँ पर -3 है, तो द टर्म्स बन जाता है आपका A plus D, A plus 2D और A plus 3D. ये आपको चार टर्म्स मिलता है. तो फर्स्ट टर्म जो बता चुके हैं ऑलरेडी -5 है. सेकेंड टर्म होता है कि A plus D यानी कि -5, -3, -8, ये बनता है -11 और ये बनता है -14. सो आपका चार टर्म्स ऐसा है. दूसरा क्वेश्चन जो आपकी किताब में है वो बहुत ही इजी है तो मैंने नहीं किया है. सो तीसरे क्वेश्चन पे मैं आ जाता हूँ. द nth टर्म ऑफ एन AP इज n 6n plus 2 यहाँ पर बताया हुआ है. nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला है an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d which is equals to 6n plus 2 दिया हुआ है. इसको हम सरल करेंगे. सरल करने से हमें क्या मिलता है देखते हैं. a plus nd minus d equals to 6n plus 2. यहाँ से हमें मिलता है nd. अगर हम कॉमन टर्म्स देखते हैं तो यहाँ से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड से nd is equals to 6n बनता है, यानी कि d equals to 6. So the common difference is 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आपके किताब में जो दिया हुआ वेरी इजी है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में हम जाते हैं. फाइंड द सिक्स्थ टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ दिस टर्म. सो सिक्स्थ टर्म निकालना है एंड से, यहाँ से. तो ये है आपका बनता है लास्ट टर्म. तो हम लिखते हैं L equals to 40. यहाँ पर कॉमन डिफरेंस जो बनता है D equals to 14 minus 17 which is equals to -3. Now आपको पता है सिक्स्थ टर्म फ्रॉम द लास्ट. सो लास्ट से सिक्स्थ टर्म आपका बनता है. सपोज लास्ट से सिक्स्थ टर्म फ्रॉम लास्ट इक्वल्स टू फॉर्मूला है L minus n minus 1 into D. Here L is how much? 40. So we can write here 40 minus n minus 1. The sixth term they have said. So here 6 minus 1 is 5 and D is -3. So which is equals to 40 minus 15 minus plus 15. That is equals to L 40. L is -40. Sorry, L is -40 here. L is -40. So it is -40. So which becomes here -25. Next, the 17th term of an AP is 17th term. So A17 equals to A plus 16D. 5 more than twice its 8th term. A8 equals to A plus 7D. Now according to question, they said that the 17th term means this A plus 16D is 5 more than, means equals to 5 plus twice its 8th term. Twice its 8th term means 2 times of this, that is 2 into A plus 7D. That means A plus 16D equals to 5 plus 2A plus 14D. So if you bring here 14D, then becomes A minus A plus 2D is equals to 5 plus 2A or minus A plus 2D equals to 5. This is equation number 1. Next they said that if the 11th term of an AP is 43. 11th term means we know that A11 equals to A plus 10D which is equals to 43. So A plus 10D is equals to 43 they have said here. So find the n term. So from this is equation 2. अब A इक्वेशन और A इक्वेशन को हमको साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन से सॉल्व करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 एंड इक्वेशन 2, फ्रॉम 1 and 2 we can get here, write it down here, -A plus 2D equals to 5. On adding, this gets cancelled off. This becomes 12D equals to 48. or D equals to 48 by 12, that is 48 by 12, that is 4. So the common difference we had 4. Again they said that the a plus 10d, a plus 10d, 10d means 10 into 4, 40, equals to 43. Therefore a equals to 43 minus 40, which is equals to 3. So the first term is 3, common difference is 4. We have asked to find out the nth term. So a nth term equals to 3 plus n minus 1 into d, that is 4, which is equals to 3 plus 4n minus 4, which is equals to 4n minus 1 is the nth term. This is question number 9. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8. So the third term is 4. We know that A3 equals to A plus 2D, which is given here 4. So we writing here 4. Ninth term, that means A9 equals to A plus 8D equals to minus 8. Now we solve this, subtracting, we get here minus 6D equals to 12. So D equals to 12 by minus 6, that is minus 2. Now they have said then which term is 0. So first from here we got the D equals to minus 2. We will try to find out A. So from here we get here A, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 equals to 4. So A equals to 8. So D equals to minus 2, A equals to 8. Which term is 0? Let the nth term be 0. So AN equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term is 0. A is given here 8 plus n is minus 1 into D. D is minus 2. So we get here minus 8 equals to minus 2 into n minus 1. This get cancels off, 2 ones, 2 fours, minus 1 comes here, so n is equals to 5. So it is the fifth term will be equals to 0. Here which term of number 20, 91 by 4 is the first negative term बताया हुआ है. तो यहाँ पर a हमको पता है, a के यानी यहाँ पर 20 दिया हुआ है और कॉमन डिफरेंस निकालेंगे यहाँ से. So b equals to 19 1 by 4 minus 20, which is equals to minus 3 by 4. Now they have said us the negative term होना है, यानी कि less than 0 होने का. So let us say as nth term be. So an equals to, we can write here 20 plus n minus 1 into common differences minus 3 by 4. The first term is negative, they said. That means what? It must be equals to less than 0. So from here we get it here, that is 20 minus 3 by 4 n plus 3 by 4 is less than 0. So here we get what 83. So minus 3 by 4 n must be less than minus 83 by 4, or n must be greater than 83 by 4. We are changing the sign because we are changing the minus sign here into 4 by 3. So 3 2 is 6, 7 8, 3 7 is 21. That means n must be greater than 27 2 by 3. We cannot take 27 2 by 3, so it must be 28th term. If the pth term of an AP is Q बताया हुआ है, pth term का बताया हुआ है Q. So पहले फॉर्मूला लेते हैं. AP pth term is equals to A is the first term and let D be the common term. So A plus p term means p minus 1 into d is they set equals to q. इसको सिंप्लीफिकेशन करेंगे तो होता है a प्लस pd minus d equals to q. नेक्स्ट बताया हुआ है एंड द qth टर्म, दैट मीन्स a q equals to a plus q minus 1 into d equals to p, यानी कि यहां से हमको मिलता है a plus qd minus d equals to p. अब यहां से अगर हम दोनों को माइनस करेंगे तो ये माइनस हो जाता है, ये कट जाता है, यहाँ पर बनता है q माइनस p और यहाँ पर d कॉमन ले लेंगे तो बनता है p माइनस q, यानी d इक्वल्स टू q माइनस p बाय p minus q. If we cancel it out, it becomes minus 1. So d equals to minus 1. Now we will try to find out the value of a. We know that a plus pd. pd means minus p minus 1 plus 1 equals to q. That means what? A equals to q plus p minus 1. Now this is the first term we know and d equals to minus 1 we know. Now we have to find out the nth term. So we know that an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equals to a is q plus p minus 1 plus n minus 1 and d is minus 1. From here we get q plus p minus 1 minus n plus 1. This gets cancelled off. We get q plus p minus n, which is required to be shown. How many 3-digit number, यानी कि आपको 3-digit number निकालने का है, are divisible by 9. तो फर्स्ट 3-digit नंबर जो है वो है 100, बट 100 में तो 9 जाता नहीं है, तो हम चलो लगा लेते हैं 108. 108 9 से डिविजिबल होता है, तो पहला आपका नंबर बनता है 108. फिर इसको 9 ऐड कीजिए क्योंकि यहाँ पर डिविजिबल बाय 9 बताया हुआ है, तो यानी कि ये बन जाता है 117. ऐसे चलते चलते लास्ट टर्म जो बनता है वो है 1000, लेकिन 1000 तो 4 अंक का नंबर है, यहाँ पर आप 999 लगा दीजिए. सो 999 पे 9 जाती है तो ये आपको लास्ट टर्म बन जाता है 999, यानी कि द लास्ट टर्म इज द 999. So how many 3-digit numbers? Let the number of digits be n. Then we know that an number, that is 999, equals to first term, that is 108 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 9. 999 से अगर आप 108 निकाल देते हो तो बनता है 198. So it becomes 891 divided by 9 equals to n minus 1. So 9 ones 9, 9 nines are 81, 9 nines are 81. So n equals to 100. So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 9? The answer is 100. This is question number 15. The sum of 3 numbers in AP. AP में 3 नंबर ले लेते हैं, तो पहला फर्स्ट टर्म, let the first term be A and the common difference be D. As usual you have tried in the examination. So जब भी यहाँ पर 3 टर्म लेने के लिए बता रहा है तो तीनों टर्म ऐसा होना चाहिए. Let the 3 terms be A minus D, comma A, then A plus D. So like this you have to take 3 terms. So the sum of 3 terms means if you add it, put here plus sign, then it becomes how much? It becomes minus 3. So from here we get that 3a equals to minus 3. That means a equals to minus 1. Then they said and the product is 8. That means product of the 3 numbers is 8. That means a is minus 1, so we can write here minus 1 minus d into minus 1 into here minus 1 plus d equals to the same 8. We take minus here common, that is 1 plus d into minus 1 becomes plus d minus 1 equals to 8. From here we get d square minus 1 equals to 8, or d square equals to 8 plus 1 is 9, or d equals to plus or minus 3. If we consider d is equals to plus 3, then here the numbers are minus 1 plus 3 comma minus 1 and minus 1 here it is minus 3, here it is plus 3, so it becomes minus 4 minus 1 2. And if we take d equals to minus 3, then the numbers would have been minus 1 plus 3, then minus 1, then minus 1 minus 3. The answer would have been same, but it would be reverse, that is 2 minus 1 and minus 4.